Hey guys, Belfurion here, and when you least expect it, I'm going to be throwing sand into your eye holes. And today that sand just happens to be Project Ascension. What is Project Ascension, you ask? Well, let's take a look. Project Ascension is a free World of Warcraft private server currently running the Burning Crusade, placing you at a level 70 cap. This server has been online since 2016 and boasts over 1 million players. It is a classless based character progression where you can pick any abilities to start with, forging your character as you level and eventually mastering the classless system as you obtain random new abilities every few levels. You can load builds that other players have uploaded. You can upload your own builds for others to utilize. Become the architect of your own perfect hero. Is PvP your thing? Choose the high-risk PvP path at level 20. Steal the gear of players you slaughter. Obtain raid loot by killing random world mobs. Someone in your own faction giving you the side-eye? You can even turn on a betrayer mode to kill your own kind. In addition to the world PvP, there are ranked arena seasons, brackets, leaderboards, exclusive mounts, and titles. Every season starts anew. There are new realms, higher experience rates, permanent progression, new game modes including Wildcard, Ironman, and Nightmare, just to name a few. We will be going over Wildcard in this video. Do you prefer doing dungeons and raids? Looking for group, looking for raid, flex raids, heroic raids, they're all working in Project Ascension. There are mystic enchantments to enhance your weapons and armor. Currently, there are over 1,000 new mystic enchantments you can collect and choose from, such as the ones you see here. Holy Supernova, Fire Walk with Me, even one with the Hunt. So where do you start? You download the custom launcher, make an account, log into the game. So here is their custom launcher. You can see all of the current events happening here. You can look into perk system. There's a bonus EXP weekend going on. Information for fixed issues, item changes, latest tweets, how many people are currently online, which is 10,502. Get access to the Discord server from here. You can also go and donate, look at the store, add-ons, news, home, etc. From there, we're going to go down here and click on Play Now. Here is their custom login splash screen. You can access Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Discord channels down here. You can see that I'm part of the Wildhammer server in Season 6. From here, we're going to go ahead and log in. Here you can see I've leveled a couple characters. I have a level 70 orc named Kargash, who is my caster hero. I have Slowboo, who is my level 59 melee hero. For this video, we're going to go ahead and create a new character. As you see here, you have access to all the races you did in the Burning Crusade. We're going to select Horde. There are no classes to select. You're just leveling a hero who has access to basically every spell, every skill, any armor type, and any weapon you can use. So we're just going to go ahead and randomize. And randomize the name. There we go. My character's name is Dragaramu. Dragaramu. Okay, let's go into game. Alright, so here we are. We've made it into the game. You can see that I started with Charge, Serpent Sting, Mongoose Bite, and Rend. Now the idea here is to get a group of 5 players, and everybody has to play whatever the game deals them in the beginning for their spells and abilities. Now if you so choose and the group decides they want to do something a little bit different, you do have this Dice of Destiny that comes free in your bag that you can utilize to reroll all of your starting abilities. Now this only works on level 1. Once you level to level 2, you're stuck with whatever starting abilities that you have on your bar. So I'm not liking this one. We're going to change it up. Are you sure you want to enable wildcard mode? Yeah, that's the point of this video. So it gave me Rejuvenation, Shadow Word Pain, and Bear Form. That is some shit. So we're going to go ahead and do this again. Mark of the Wild, Greater Heal, Searing Totem, Arcane Intellect. Nope. I'm looking for maybe a Sinister Strike. I want a melee build. There we go. Sinister Strike, Greater Heal. Ooh, even Battle Stance. So we're going to go ahead and keep this. Blessing of Might. I'm going to put that off to the side. Greater Heal is going to go down here. Now, if you want to put some money into it, you can get loaded starter dice. This will actually let you reroll individual abilities instead of all of the abilities, so you can kind of get a very customized beginning experience. Now the rest of the game, you're still going to get random abilities and spells, so it won't help you much past that. Just the same as with the Dice of Destiny, this loaded starter dice does not work past level 1. Some of the other things you can get, if you look over here, we've got a Beginner's Book of Ascension. This allows you to train your skills and abilities to level them up as you level. And we've got the Beginner's Book of Artisans. This allows you to learn all of the professions as well as buy the tools for those professions out of it. You can get both of these from the shop. Now, I do have the Nightmare Book of Ascension and the Book of Ascension. Basically, it's the same thing. Nightmare is just a different look. See, it's got a nightmare look to it. So, if you're leveling with me, playing with me, you can utilize this book to make things quicker without having to go back to the capital city to train your skills, so it's kind of a boon. I also have this transmogrifier person, mobile transmogrifier, that will follow us around and allow you to transmog your equipment if you so choose. I don't use it much. So some of the other things to look at here, we're going to go to character advancement. You can see that I have a paladin, priest, rogue, and a warrior ability, all of them showing right here. As you get new abilities, they will show in here. You'll be able to see how many you have for each class. You can go into each one and address the talents with the talent essences you get as you level. So you can increase your talents from here. You can choose your primary stat. Since I'm going with a melee build, I'm going to go strength for now. Now, if you wanted to, you could go to load build, and since we're doing Sinister Strike, here's a Sinister Strike leveling build that somebody did. It will automatically choose all of the talents for you. It'll apply the talent essences, so that way you don't have to do that if you so choose. You could even upload your own build here if you wanted to. So I'm going to actually load this one by activating the build. So as I level, it will automatically do all my abilities for me, and I don't have to worry about it. We have character upgrades here. You can get at the collections, character advancements, and resets from here. If you look at the top right, you'll notice we got a bunch of buffs. These are server buffs. Titan Scroll Eggermar, damage dealt to demons increased by 20%, stacks up to 5 times, does not apply in instances. Titan Scroll Eonor, killing creatures has a chance to create an area of effect, granting 1% of creature health as health and mana periodically, stacks up to 5 times, again does not apply in instances. Titan Scroll Khazar-Gorath, experience gained from gathering and crafting increased by 40%. When you gain crafting experience, gain a stacked movement speed and profession speed buff. Also have Titan Scroll Norgannon, experience gained from killing monsters increased by 50%, that's really neat. Damage dealt to monsters increased by 25%. Titan Scroll Golganath, swim speed increased by 40%. Now that's going to be, you're going to love that when we see that. So you get these by killing mobs. They drop from mobs all over the place. You can also purchase them from the shop. Not really going to go over the shop in this video. That's not the point. We want to stick to the free stuff. So from there, we're going to accept quests. You will outlevel areas. So accept quests, at least in the beginning, and then just move on as you get higher in level. So you can find other mobs that you can kill for experience. So, let's get to it. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4. Level 5. Level 6. Level 7. Level 8. Level 10, and we get our first ability here. What is it? Healing Touch. Okay, that gives us 2 healing abilities. Level 11. Level 12, and our next random ability is... Nice! Eviscerate. Level 13. Level 14, and our next random ability is... Revive. Alright, we got our first elite here. Oh, we got this. Wrecked. Level 15. Level 16, and our next random ability is... Evasion. Level 17. Now's a good time to learn some spells. Got some upgrades going here. Level 18. This will give me some utility spells. Let's take a look to see what we may have gotten. Looks like we got Slow Fall and Unending Breath. Level 19. And level 20. And another random ability. We get Dispel Magic. Maybe useful. So at level 20, you get to choose what route you want to take. Do you want to continue the no-risk mode, a safer haven, a family journey, familiar journey, dungeon diver, or do you want to take the high-risk mode where you get the risk of the reward, world events, treasures untold. With the high-risk mode, if you kill other players in high-risk mode, they have a chance to drop their loot. But be warned, you have a chance to drop your loot as well. Treasures untold. Basically, any world mob has a chance to drop raid gear from any raid that's currently available. So interesting perspective there. So as you lose stuff, you can quickly gain stuff as well. So choice is yours. This should be enough to give you a good idea of what this World of Warcraft private server is about. So if you have any questions, ask me, Belfurion. I will see if I can answer them to the best of my ability. At any rate, thank you guys. We'll catch you later. Have a good one.